My name's Phil Jardine. I was employed in the MAGIC project as a postdoc for a few months last year. I now work at the University of Munster, and I'm a palynologist. I work on fossil pollen, and in particular pollen chemistry, and what that can tell us about past ultraviolet irradiance and altitude. I think what's really exciting is when we look at pollen chemistry, because plants produce their own sunscreen compounds. As there's more ultraviolet irradiance, they produce more of these compounds. We can measure that. And because as we move to higher altitudes, higher elevations, we get more ultraviolet, we get more of these compounds, we can really try to track how the Tibetan Plateau was increasing in height through time, in quite a precise way, hopefully. And from that, we can start to actually link in with other climate records and hopefully help the climate modelers do their thing as well. So it should tie into quite a lot of areas in the MAGIC project, which to me is really exciting. In a way, I think apart from giving us a better understanding of how the climate system works and how plants respond to these changes in the climate system, it's also interesting to say how the ozone layer changes in thickness. And as it thins, that increases the amount of ultraviolet light which hits plants, which has an effect as well. So there's relevance to that. We can track ozone thickness change through time and how it might have a role in, say, extinctions and that sort of thing. So both climate and biodiversity and everything we can really get at with this, which I think has a lot of relevance for wider society. I really work in the lab, actually, yeah. So most of my work is sitting there at a microscope, picking pollen out, and then, sticking it under a machine, looking at the chemistry. Yeah. Mostly I'm working with the people in Amsterdam, so that's Karina Horn and Natasha Barbolini as well, and they're sort of students and MSc students and whatnot. So they're the people I really work with, and I get to travel over to Amsterdam quite a lot and work with them. So yeah, they're the team.